Hey, hello plant lovers. In today's video, I'm sharing my complete succulent collection at home. I'll tell you the names, special features, and fun facts about each plant. Let's get started. The first plant which I have is Echeveria agoides. Now this is a very beautiful plant. It produces red color when it is little bit stressed. Stress makes it beautiful. When you give little bit more sunlight, it produces red color tips. The second plant is peperomia. It has a green or variegated foliage. It is also called as peperomia obtusifolia, and it has thick glossy leaves, also called as baby rubber plant. So this middle one is Kalanchoe blossfeldiana. It is a flowering succulent. Mine is a yellow one, but basically it has different colors: red, white, yellow, orange. They are very beautiful. This plant blooms for weeks and loves winter. So this is a very long lasting bright flowering plant, and it has very low maintenance. It is a very low maintenance plant. Now this one is not bloomed yet, but once it is in bloom, it is very beautiful. This is my Zamioculus zamifolia plant. Basically it is a ZZ plant, and it is very extremely drought tolerant. This plant can survive even if you forget to water it. It is a very low maintenance plant and very beautiful foliage it creates. This is my aloe juvena plant. It is also called as tiger tooth aloe, and it looks sharp and fierce, but the spikes are soft. This is a very nice plant. Now this is my desert rose plant, Adenium obesum. It is also used in bonsai plants. It is a very favorite plant for people who do bonsai. It produces very beautiful blooms, different colors. Nice plant. This one is Dracena trifasciata. Actually, it is a snake plant. It is a very popular like bedroom plant, or you can say it is a very popular household plant. But what I feel is it likes indirect light, and it also does well outdoors, as it can also do well in a heavy sunlight. But what happens is I've seen the tips start becoming brown. So basically you can keep it in indirect light. If indoors you have good indirect light, it is good, but without sunlight or without good air, it starts dying. So it likes a good airy location, good sunlight, and indirect light, I mean. And it is a very low maintenance plant. So best thing is it releases oxygen at night, it is said. So it is a very good plant. So few years back, I had done one landscaping project for one of our family friends, and we had planted this snake plant on one side of wall as a wall cover. So it looked very beautiful. The wall looked green. Yes, this one is burro's tail, or it is also called as donkey's tail. I don't know why, but this plant is also very unique, and I have a very huge one in my balcony. This one, which is like growing since like last 4 to 5 years now. Very unique plant, and it can be propagated through even a small leaf of its. So it's a easy plant. This one is Echeveria pulvinata, or frosty. It has a frost like structure on the leaves. These soft hair like structures look like it is covered with snow. This is Haworthia, a perfect desk plant. Small and stunning. This one is baby tears plant. Scientific name is soleroli, and it is a perfect ground cover plant. It forms soft green carpet, and it looks like tiny green pillow. So this one is a massive one which I have got. It is also growing over the years now. This one is Graptosedum. More sun equals to more pink color and orange shades for this plant. Very beautiful. This is Bunny's cactus, also called Opuntia microdes. It is a beautiful plant, but it has very sharp spines and very irritating when they come in contact with skin. This is my Echeveria raindrops. I don't know the scientific name for it, but it is a very unique plant, and it is bigger than the size of my palm, the one which I am having, and it has produced this lot of babies around the pot. So This one is Sansevieria plant, compact snake plant, or formerly said Sansevieria sufruticosa. This one is a smaller, like tougher version of the classic snake plant. It has like thick upright leaves, very hardy plant, and it likes low to bright indirect light, but very unique look it is having. It has very. This is my big leaf jade plant, and I also have one smaller version which I'm trying to make a bonsai out of it. Like this is kind of mostly very popular bonsai plant. I have one more variety of jade, which don't have recording at the moment, but it is also very pretty. But I'll make a different video for that. But this one also I'm trying to make a bonsai, and it looks stunning. I have to prune it yet. Now this one is my aeonium plant, aeonium arboreum, and it is like different from other succulents because it looks like a small tree or a flower growing from the, and it has a little bit longer stem, thin stem compared to other succulents, though I'm not able to show in this video, but it is stunning. Thanks for watching my succulent tour. If you enjoyed it, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips and plant tours. Thank you. See you soon.